Hi, I'm Coach Jocelyn with Fit&NU. Life is full of endless demands that can leave us feeling frazzled, burnt out, and consumed by chronic stress. Did you know that high, prolonged levels of stress don't just drain you mentally and emotionally? They can severely impact your physical health too. Chronic stress causes inflammation throughout the body and taxes your immune system. Over time, it significantly increases your risk for developing conditions like heart disease, depression, and type 2 diabetes. That's why learning to reduce and manage stress is absolutely crucial, especially when it comes to preventing chronic illnesses. And mindfulness is one of the most powerful tools we have for lowering stress and its harmful effects. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your full, focused attention to the present moment, to the sights, sounds, and sensations occurring right here and now. Rather than worrying about the future or dwelling on the past, you cultivate an attitude of openness and non-judgment toward your experience. Numerous studies show that mindfulness actually reshapes the brain regions involved in perception, also self-awareness, emotional regulation, and more. With regular practice, you build resilience to stress and improve your overall well-being. So how can you incorporate mindfulness into your daily life? One simple technique is breath work. Set a timer for just 5 minutes and focus your full awareness on the flow of your inhales and exhales. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Let's try this together. Close your eyes, breathe in through your nose, and gently release through your mouth. If any thoughts come, just let them pass by. Relax your shoulders and continue. The key is making mindfulness a consistent habit, even if you start small. Be patient and don't judge yourself. Over time, you'll get better at activating this state of present moment awareness, even when life feels chaotic or stressful. Reducing stress through mindfulness doesn't just improve your mental health, it's also crucial for preventing serious chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes. So breathe deeply, stay present, and make mindfulness a part of your self-care routine. We discussed the importance of mindfulness for reducing stress and protecting our overall health, but mindfulness is just one tool in our stress management toolbox. When it comes to coping with stress in a healthy, sustainable way, we need a variety of strategies we can turn to regularly. Otherwise, we risk burnout, anxiety, and even developing serious chronic conditions like heart disease or type 2 diabetes. It's crucial to have healthy outlets and coping mechanisms for processing difficult thoughts and emotions. Journaling, talking to a friend, exercising, and pursuing hobbies you enjoy are all positive ways to work through stress. Another key for coping with stress is setting realistic goals and priorities, then focusing on what's within your control. Overwhelming yourself with an endless to-do list will only amplify anxiety. So be intentional about taking things one step at a time. Celebrate your small wins along the way. And practice positive self-talk by replacing negative mental chatter with words of encouragement and affirmation. You can tell yourself, "I've got this," one thing at a time, or "this too shall pass." It may sound simple, but positive self-talk can make a big difference. And of course, continuing to practice mindfulness alongside these other tools will only amplify their stress-busting effects. Breathwork and mindful activities help you stay grounded during these stressful periods. The key is exploring different techniques and figuring out what works best for you. Dealing with stress in healthy ways is an incredibly important life skill. So be proactive, incorporate relaxation practices, positive coping mechanisms, and mindfulness into your routine. When you make your wellness a priority, you have the resilience to tackle life's challenges with more ease.